Hello everyone, this is me Esmatullah and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, as we are witness in these days, the most bad things happening in this world, which is shocking everyone like me. More than 700 people died in Italy, and actually every day more than 700 people are dying by this dangerous virus, COVID-19. Okay guys, as we are in Afghanistan. In Afghanistan, we don't have any kind of ability to cure our passion. And it's really, we can't control this. But, okay guys, it's really sad. By this little virus, world is shocking. Oh my God. What is going on? Really, it really made me sad. I can't control my emotions. I'm really sorry. Just we cannot do anything. Just we can pray to God to save the world from this virus. More than 80 people got this virus from Afghanistan. In Afghanistan, we don't have any ability to cure these patients. Okay guys, what should you do is just stay home. Don't go out. By this action, you can save your life and your friends, or you can save the people's lives. Just guys, stay home and go nowhere. Whatever you want to do at home. Do it at home. Okay guys, we have to pray to God to save the world from this virus. Every day we are witness of death of everyone. It's really I have nothing to say. Guys, just stay home and stay safe. I hope may God bless all of us. the purpose of this video is just, I mean, bad things are happening to the world. Just guys, stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.